E-mini junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, July 13th, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 45 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 86.50 and we had a go with scenario setting up today. We had a large gap up this morning. Our first cross to the upside produced a signal to get long, and that was good for targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks. And the market came back down through our moving average right at 9.45, gave a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks. And on the subsequent cross up, it was actually a really fast move in the direction of our strong trend. Gave us an extension entry. That entry did provide targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside. As we went up and retested those Globex highs, actually broke through them, continued higher, started making new highs for the day. Kind of found a little sideways price action there, you can see, and then we ultimately broke back down through that, underneath that Globex high level. Gave us a signal to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. And again, a strong, quick, fast move to the upside off the 10:45 confirmation time. There was an extension set up there right at 1088 that happened right about 10:56 or so. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 5 additional ticks. And in fact, that move continued higher through the good portion of the lunch hour, made new highs for the days once again. And you know, we do not initiate any new trades between 11:30 and 1:15. We call that our dead zone. We just kind of sit and watch. You can see the market moved higher during the lunchtime dead zone, ultimately pulled off of that level. Now, I'm not showing this as a profitable trade to the downside. There was an opportunity to get an extension right at almost a 115. But that would be an extension counter trend, something I don't like to do, so we just take our normal swing here, and that would be for a target 1 with a T2 stop out, versus if you had gotten in earlier and actually maybe profited on that extension. But that would have been a real hard trade to get, plus it was counter trend. Nobody would have been looking that way. So T1 minus 2 is how we'll count that one. And then after that push down, we actually talked about that go with scenario. There was a real nice support area that we tried to get on initially to carry this long into the end of the day, and some folks in the room did. Ultimately got stopped out, but there was a second chance to get on here. But we had a normal cross prior to that, right about 212, 210 area, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks to the upside. Those folks that were in the go with scenario and tried to get on that trade again, there was like I said, there was a real good entry here right at the 230 pullback, and that was a trade that carried well past the 3 o'clock hour for a real nice run there. But we will not count that in our video because it is a specialty trade that's outside of our normal trading plan. So all in all, we had a great day today. Again, just you know, 2 fabulous days of market trading action. Today was 7 trades for 45 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.